water is essential to life on Earth. And yet, as global populations grow and temperatures rise, access to natural water sources is becoming increasingly scarce. A quarter of the world's population currently live in areas with high water stress, but new technology is being developed to keep our taps from running dry. Singapore is one of the smallest countries in the world with no natural water sources of its own, and yet the city-state currently consumes approximately 430 million gallons of water per day, a consumption rate that is expected to double in just 40 years. The island metropolis has traditionally relied on water imports from its neighbors, but now it's looking inward to homegrown technology that can help meet its increasing water demands. At Singapore's Nanyang Technological University, or NTU, scientists have pioneered new tech that is helping Singapore's critical push for water sustainability. From membrane technology to artificial intelligence and material science.
Singapore has numerous innovations, many of which have come from NTU. NTU has one of the largest engineering programs in the world. And of that space, there's a good amount of work that's applied towards water and environment. And we've made that one of the focus areas for NTU, one of our strongest suits. Singapore imports approximately 40% of their water today. But with climate change, that water has become far less dependable. So in the future, there's a big drive to become water independent, to control our own future. And that is largely dependent on the technologies that we're developing here.
Innovations born inside the university are already forming real-world solutions across Singapore. One such solution is this, an unsuspecting sponge-like material known as carbon fiber aerogel, or CFA.
I call the carbon fiber aerogel a novel super-absorbent sponge, and the unique capabilities that that sponge has, it can absorb a very wide range of organic contaminants.
Andre Stolz is the CEO of EcoWorth Technology. The company is commercializing carbon fiber aerogel for use across the city. He says the super material can remove up to 190 times its weight in waste, contaminants, and even microplastics.
The impact of EcoWorth Tech solutions we believe, is very big. So globally, access to clean water is very scarce, and as a scarce resource, we are trying to preserve that. We are converting a waste into worth. We have to avoid waste. And we believe that we can create a very positive impact to the environment as well as to society. We saw an opportunity to take this innovative technology that has been patented in the Nanyang Technology University and apply it first to the Singapore ecosystem on recycling industrial wastewater, but then also as a subsequent step to open this up to the globe and to treat wastewater in other countries.
With rapid urbanization and changes in the environment, reports suggest that Singapore is one of the countries most likely to face water stress in the near future. But the impact of such innovation is already apparent across the metropolis, which is dotted with fountains, reservoirs, and water bodies. Its international airport is now home to the world's tallest indoor waterfall, a man-made marvel that pumps almost 10,000 gallons of water per minute. But the ultimate goal is not to just provide water to Singapore. Experts say water consumption is a global concern.
Climate change threatens water supplies around the world. So what we see happening in Southeast Asia, we also see in North America or Europe, that what we have become used to in our lives as reliable water may very quickly change. So we have to be prepared. We have to be thinking about the infrastructure in advance.
One company is already taking Singapore's water innovations far beyond the city's borders. Water Grown, a startup founded in 2014, has used innovative solutions to provide clean drinking water to rural areas and disaster zones across Southeast Asia. Their secret weapon is this, a simple, lightweight, portable water filtration device.
Our key principles of design is, firstly, it must be simple, which means that it's simple to use. Even by laymen, people who may not be engineers, may not have technical training, but because of the simplicity of the design, they can easily pick up the system and intuitively know how to use it.
Water Roam has already provided clean water to more than 75,000 people in remote areas.
Why we are going with a no-frills technology approach is because we are looking at this as a basic problem, basic commodity when it comes to water. And a basic commodity and a basic problem needs basic technology to solve this issue. Growing up in Singapore, we have been very blessed to have access to clean drinking water. We feel that this is a privilege that we should be able to bring forth into the rest of the region, and to also advocate that clean water is a very important aspect of life. Singapore has been developing an ecosystem where we can continuously work towards innovation in water so that more and more we become independent in the water access.
Whether simple and portable or a super material, innovation in this smart city is working to keep Singapore and the world from running dry.